Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to connect a Facebook account. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to connect a Facebook account, we have to go over here to manage social profiles. And then we have to click on this button over here at the social media profile and choose Facebook from this drop-down. Then we are redirected to a Facebook page. Over here, we can see our business portfolios. We have to select the business portfolio that owns the Facebook page that we want to connect with Squirrly Social. Then we have to click over here on Continue. Then we can see our page over here. Click on Continue. We can also see our Instagram account that is linked to this page. So we can leave the Instagram account selected if we want to connect the Instagram account as well right now with the Facebook page. And click over here on Continue. Then we can review what social Squirrly is requesting to access and click on Save and click on Got it. And we have a successful message over here. Facebook pages were successfully connected as social profiles. Because we have selected the Instagram account as well, we can see the Instagram business page over here as well. So we can see the profile pictures over here, the profiles names. By clicking on the profile name, we can see the Facebook page like so, or the Instagram page like so. Then we can see the profile type, Facebook, Instagram business page, who added those profiles. We can reconnect the profiles or we can delete the profiles. So it's that simple to connect a Facebook page with Squirrly Social. Until next time.